Alam nyo ba na ang mga matatalinong tao daw ay madaling magalit at madaling mainis? Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit galit na galit ako lagi. Hindi, joke lang. Alam nyo guys, eto nga, sabi nila, yung mga kakilala daw natin na matatalino, mostly daw sila ay laging magagalitin. So yung mga sobrang talino daw talaga, they are anxious and worried that they should not lose track for their quest for accumulation of knowledge. Yun talaga yung kanilang goal every day, to learn and to learn, which is actually good. So any obstruction daw will be taken seriously and they loses their temper for silly reasons. Madali silang magalit. So even frustrated people get angry and annoyed. Oh, wag ka namang mag-expect dyan dahil even yung hindi daw ganun katalino ay madali ding magalit. So, intelligent people are generally oversensitive and even trivial matters will make them tense. They will not like anything to go unnoticed or unattended. This will also make them feel short of time for any activity. So, yung mind daw talaga nila is very active, pulsating to see that nothing goes out of their mind. And yung attitude na to, it creates anxiety and tension to answer all doubts in stipulated time. At ito they always find short of time, which creates stress in the mind. Since the stress cannot be released quickly, the results the strain leading to explosion through anger. And yun na nga, the next question, bakit lagi silang annoyed naman? Dahil yan sa stress, and at the same time, he is worried that his concentration may be disturbed, or diba? They can lose ideas to think and consolidate their thoughts into a beneficial result. Hence, they get annoyed to lose their temper. Unlike yung mga average, will not have tension, anxiety, stress, and strain, and naturally, hindi magagalitin. Alam nyo guys, this study or research is not accurate and it doesn't apply for everyone, but just an observation. Way back nung nasa college ako, I used to have this classmate na sobrang talino, as in valedictorian siya nung high school, and lagi siyang nakakauno sa mga subjects namin, and very very competitive, and medyo short-tempered siya. Like for example, may ginagawa kaming activity and alam mo yon, nagkakamali siya, annoyed na siya kagad nun, and talagang dinidibdib niya. Like for example, meron kaming mga group presentations, he really wants to excel, and pag alimbawa mas naangatan kami ng iba, parang talagang didibdibin niya yon. Like for us, we're just students during that time, pero siya very competitive siya. Well, it's actually may pros and cons, pero for me, 'di ba, everyone has their own personality. Kung ganun siya, 'di ba, we totally respect it. But at the end of the day, 'di ba, yung sabi dito sa umpisa na pag matalino daw is madaling magalit or madaling mainis, hindi naman yun accurate. Hindi siya 100%, guys. May mga kilala akong mga matatalino pero they are very jolly, napaka-masayahin, approachable, and hindi naman sila magagalitin. So ikaw, magagalitin ka ba? Baka matalino ka.